You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is u equals 3/20. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3/10 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the u. Divide both sides by -2. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is u equals 3/20.